Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I am doing day 10 of the giveaway. And so because I'm recording this video before actually picking the winner, I'm going to list the winner here. So congratulations. Make sure you send me your info on Instagram. So the conditioner I'm going to be talking about today is from a Plex Defense System by Cream of Nature. This is actually step 3, the restoring conditioner. So this is something that you want to use if you are, definitely if you're colored natural. So it moisturizes and improves the appearance of dry, damaged strands. So if you're suffering from any heat damage, color damage, this is a system that will immediately make a difference in your hair. I've been using this while coloring my hair. I've used it after coloring my hair, and it really makes a difference because it just restores your hair back to, because when you color your hair, you're changing, you're altering your cuticles. So this is a system that will help you turn around some of that effects without, leaving you with a bunch of damage. So if you are having damage, this is something that you want to use for damage. This is something that you want to use to prevent damage as well. So it says this 3-step system reinforces weak and brittle bonds to strengthen hair against breakage and damage. So there you go. I'm going to be talking about 3 oils actually: castor oil, argan oil, and olive oil. So castor oil is a very popular oil that you're going to see in a lot of products. Castor oil is going to increase blood flow to your scalp. It's also going to nourish your hair, and it actually helps with dandruff as well. And we all know increasing blood flow to your scalp is obviously going to help with hair growth. Argan oil is going to protect your hair from damage, and it's going to hydrate and soften. Olive oil is going to be high in antioxidant, which is going to protect your hair from cell damage. And it's going to improve the quality of your hair by nourishing and conditioning. So this is a really good product to have on hand if you are struggling with damage right now, you're not sure what to do, and you don't want to cut off all your hair. So this is something that's going to at least give your hair that fresh boost of everything you need: moisture, strength, antioxidants, while also preventing further damage. And this is also something that you want to keep on hand if you are colored natural and you want to have a system in place to use on a regular basis, maybe once a month, just to make sure that you're staying on top of any potential damage. Because a lot of times it's hard to get lazy on your hair regimen, but it's even worse when you have colored curls. So if you are colored natural, this is something that you really want to have on hand. Or not even that, if you're someone who straightens your hair all the time, this is something that you want to use on a regular basis because you are applying heat to your hair on a regular basis. So this is something that you probably want to add to your regimen. So where can we find this? So this is a longer list than the other ones. So Rite Aid, Target, Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, Sally Beauty, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, ShopNaturallyCurly.com. Yeah. So that is where you can find Cream of Nature products. So what am I giving away? I wonder. Why am I so dramatic? So because I mentioned that it was restoring conditioner and a 3-step system, I'm giving away the 3-step system. So step 1 is a bond mender pre-treatment. Step 2 is the restoring shampoo, and step 3 is the restoring conditioner. So you're gonna get all 3 of these. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment on this video however you like. Yes. And send in those questions. I will be putting the... Oh, wait. Did I have a question? I have a question. I almost forgot the question. Okay. So the question was, how do you keep coloring your hair without damage? And I think I mentioned this before. Mainly, I chose my battles. So I don't hardly use heat ever. Like once a year, and before that was every 3 years. So I color my hair once a year as well. I don't over process my color. As you can see, my roots are massive. I haven't colored my hair since... When did I color my hair last? Last summer. So it's been over a year. It's been over a year since I colored my hair. I don't know what I want to do next. So I don't know if I want to grow it out and just keep having the ombre effect, or I want some ash blonde. I want it to be like really ashy blonde, but I think I want highlights. I don't want full color anymore. So I'm just growing it out for now. But yes, I chose color over heat. So I hardly use heat ever. That has definitely attributed to the health of my colored hair. Weekly deep conditioning, and adding protein in there. I'm not really great on protein treatments, but I always make sure I'm using like a mask that has proteins in it or something like that. So having a healthy routine is what's keeping my hair healthy, and I stay away from heat. So you have like you have to just choose your battle. So I chose color. All right, so that is that. I almost forgot the question. So make sure you send in your questions on Instagram, and I think I did pick a few questions from the comments. So yeah, thank you all for participating. This is a really good one. So I'm really happy to give this away because it's really good. So if you are suffering from damage, this is like a must-have. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and until next video, peace.